Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to remove font color in Word. First you need to highlight the text you want to change, for example this color, and then go to the Home tab in the top ribbon and then click the small arrow next to the font color icon like here, and then click on the automatic and then go to the font size and make it 11, and you need to click the B icon to remove the bold. In the second method you need to highlight the text and then go to the Home tab and then click on the styles and then click on the clear formatting. This will also reset the font size, style, whether it is a bold or italic, and spacing back to your default document setting. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can remove font color in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.